You can make your own thread chaser at home with just this. So I am actually doing this for real for myself right now because I do need to chase some threads and I don't have a thread chaser that size. So I went and grabbed this 1/2 inch bolt, which is the size I need. Got this from hardware of Ace of Base. And we're gonna take this grinder with the cutoff wheel and we are going to cut grooves in the threads. We'll maybe do 4. And we are going to angle them so that when we thread this in, the little edges will grab and pull debris. And we'll do a couple angled the opposite way as well, so that when we reverse the bolt out, we should have some grabbage action as well. Now when you do this, make sure that your sparks fly onto something extremely flammable. I did a terrible job on this. I'm sure you would do a lot better. I had to reach around a camera tripod to do it, so that's a pretty good excuse, right? But I think you get where we're going with this. This is really sharp too. Could have been done better, but this is gonna work great. And I failed on getting an angle as well. But it's something to play with and try. I hope that helps you because that's the only reason why I made this video.